guys, it's about to get really funny today because I'm going to show you why a rubber chicken is a must have for every parrot owner. And if you don't have a parrot at home, get a rubber chicken anyway. I actually just wanted to record Maia and Pan playing with me, but somehow my shoes were much more interesting for them today. And I couldn't stop them from destroying my shoes at all. But luckily, both of them finally agreed to trade with me. What it looked like, I show you now. Stay tuned, it's going to be really fun.